Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed the chapter number 9, some application of trigonometry. Now today, I am going to start chapter 10, that is circles. You know, this is the circles. We can draw three possible lines in the circle. First line, this line, which do not intersect the circle, so it is called non-intersecting line. Second line, the line which touch the circle at one point. This is the point of touching. This is the point of touching. This is called tangent line. Third line, the line which intersect the circle at 2 points. The line which intersect the circle at 2 points, this line is called secant line. So, secant line, a line which intersect the circle at 2 points is called secant line. Tangent, only you can write only secant, or secant line you can write it. This is secant. Tangent, a line which intersect the circle at one point is called tangent. Here you see the figure. There is only one tangent at one point on the circle. There is only one tangent at a point on the of the circle and the point this is a point, only one tangent of the circle. This point, that point is called point of contact. That point is called point of contact. The common point of the tangent and the radius of the common point of the tangent and the circle is called point of contact. There are only two parallel tangents. There are only two parallel tangents. We can draw infinite number of tangents of the circle. Now see the theorem 10.1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. So you see it. This is a circle, given a circle with center O, AB is a tangent at P. To prove this OP is perpendicular to AB, construction: take any point Q on AB, join OQ. Proof: Q lies outside the circle. On AB, so OQ is greater than OP. the length of every point on AB from center O is longer than OP. So, OP is the shortest. Therefore, OP is the shortest. So, OP is perpendicular to AB. Hence proved. Exercise 10.1. How many tangent can a circle have? Infinite tangent. Second question, first part, a tangent to a circle intersect it in one point. Second part, a line intersect a circle in 2 points is called a secant. A circle can have 2 parallel tangents. Fourth part, a common points of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. See the third question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5. This is the circle, radius is 5. The tangent is PQ at a point P. This is a PQ is a tangent. Meet a line through a center O at a point Q such that OQ is 12 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ because tangent is perpendicular to radius at a point of contact. So, by Pythagoras theorem in triangle OPQ, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square P plus PQ square. 12 square is equal to 5 square plus PQ square. 144 is equal to 25 plus PQ square. 144 minus 25 is PQ square and PQ square is 119. Therefore, PQ is square root 119 centimeter. Option D is correct. D is correct. Question number 4, actually it is a construction question. When we will do the chapter construction, when we will do it this question. Thank you. ठीक है.